Okay, when you're going through the lessons, this takes you to the previous lesson. This takes you to the next lesson. But you also need to make sure that the student is going down here. You have to use the scroll bar on the side to make sure that the student is doing all parts of the lesson in here. And over here is the Learning Coach tab. This will kind of explain what the lesson is going to be about. And then you will click on the table of contents, and these are the two activities. Okay, then you'll click on next. And this lesson is going to be the lesson for Tuesday. He will do the online activity, play this game. It looks like there are 15 questions, so you go through the 15 questions. Then can go to the next activity. And then again, there's a Learning Coach tab, and the student will order things from smallest to largest, count to 3, distinguish between small and large objects. He will need to use scissors and glue on the worksheets. Then you go to the table of contents, go to the first activity, and then make sure that the student goes through all 3 of these activities. Scroll down to the bottom, make sure that you're doing each thing within the lesson. Then here is the activity. You click on the activity page. This is the worksheet that the student would be doing. Okay, cutting them, putting them in order. Then back to the lesson. Now this would be the next assignment. And then this is where you upload the smallest to largest assignment so that I can grade it. Mine's going to look different than yours. Then the next lesson, this would be for Wednesday. And again, this one has 3 parts. So when you're within the lesson, you are going to go to the Learning Coach tab, figure out what the goal is for the student for the day, then go to the table of contents, go to the top item, and then make sure that the student is going through each part of the lesson down here on the arrows. Here's a video for him to watch. Then there's a little activity. He's going to answer some questions. Then he would go to the next thing. I just wanted to make sure that that's how you were doing this. Okay, that's all.